So before we start our discussion for today, let me ask you class, how's your day so far, Jefferson? Doing good. How about your lesson? Fine. And I'm a happy teacher. So I'm happy to know that you are all fine today. So are you ready now to start our discussion for today? Yes, teacher. So before we start our discussion, let us have an activity. So who wants an activity? Me. Do you know how to fix a puzzle? Yes, teacher. So these are the cat pictures, and I want you to do like a puzzle. So you will arrange this, and you have or to form a new picture. So this is for you and for you. So I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Starts now. Done, teacher. So in first picture, what did you get?
Historical foundation of Philippines education.
So what can you say about that picture? Because that picture has a relation to our topic for today. So what can you say about that?
About the Philippines education.
Okay. And how about the second picture?
Philippine education of the classroom setup.
From the back? In the old. Okay. So our topic for today, what can you guess our topic for today?
Historical condition.
No, okay. And historical of Philippine education. So do you know or did you encounter this topic when you were in elementary or in high school?
Not yet.
How about you, Jeff? Did you encounter this lesson?
Yes, teacher, yes.
So, I think that we encounter all of these. We all encounter this topic when we were in secondary or elementary, but we cannot remember now because we still have or we still need to learn about this as a future education course. And then, now we are going to start. So I have here worksheets, and I want you to describe, read the direction. It says that explain briefly the following. So these are the stages of the historical Philippine education. And as we discuss the lesson, I want you to describe briefly each stages. Is that clear? Yes. So are you ready now to start our discussion? Yes. So our lesson for today is the Philippine educational system. So the first period is educational formation early Filipinos. So please read.
Education formation early Filipinos. Children were provided for vocational training but less academics in their houses by their parents and in their houses of their tribal teachers. They were using a unique system of writing known as the Baybay.
So as we imagine this education foundation early Filipinos, as we described, more vocational training. When we say more vocational training, it's more on the skills. But in ancient early Filipinos, it focused more on the skills in the house or the task doing in our house. These ancient early Filipinos, they use the writing system called baybayin. So do you know the baybayin? What? So it is the words or the letters are read by syllables. Like they binabaybay the words. And then do you know imagine